The budget smartphone category has just gotten heated up this year with the entry of Lava International into the Kenyan market. The Indian tech firm recently launched a couple of affordable smartphones and feature phones. The Lava Z81 is here to shake the likes of devices from Infinix and Tecno that have been doing good so far in the Kenyan market. The Lava Z81 comes in two versions. One that packs a combination of 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of onboard storage and goes for 12,000 shillings. And the other version comes with 3 gigs of RAM and the 2 gigs of internal memory and goes for 14,000. Our review unit is the lower spec one. Here's the smartphone itself. We'll put it aside very briefly while we check out the rest of the package. There's the SIM injector tool, the transparent plastic case to keep the phone in its pristine condition without the fingerprint smudges. There's a quick start guide. You also get a 3-pin power adapter, a USB cable and some earphones. Nothing too crazy here. Let's put that away and get to the phone. The Lava Z81 has a 5.7-inch display. In the top, you get a 3.5mm headphone jack while the volume rocker and the power buttons are on the right. The SIM tray is on the left with the USB power port below and the speaker and the fingerprint scanner at the back. The SIM tray holds 2 dual SIM slots and a slot for expandable memory. On the software side, the Lava Z81 runs on Android 8.1 Oreo and StarOS version 5. My first impressions of this user interface, it isn't that heavy and won't probably interfere with the general Android experience. The display is crisp, as you can see. Its spacious screen offers pretty sharp visuals and will still do the job if you're into binging videos or scrolling through the web while on the go. My early impression is that this is obviously a nice looking screen. The Lava Z81 is powered by a MediaTek MT6761 Helio 82 chipset, backed up with 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of onboard storage, which you can expand via microSD, ensuring that everything runs nice and nippy and that nothing lags during a day-to-day usage. Stay tuned for a full review coming soon. The Lava Z81 comes packed with 3000 mAh battery and should keep you going all day easily. There's also super power saving modes to squeeze more out of the battery when you're nowhere near a place you could charge it. On the cameras, the Lava Z81 gets a single 13MP rear camera and an LED flash. On the front is the similar 13MP selfie shooter. Opening the camera, it gets several modes to play around with, including AR sticker, beauty, normal and video. Here are some sample photos. I'll go ahead and put my SIM cards and make the Lava Z81 my daily driver to see how it holds up and if it's worth the money. Stay tuned for my full review coming soon.